The all-new 2026 Ducati Desmo450 MX has finally broken cover in its production form. At an MSRP of $11,495, the new Italian machine will be available in North America starting in July. Top features include a Desmodromic engine design, max power of 63.5 horsepower and 39.5 lb-ft of torque, Showa suspension, Brembo brakes, Pirelli tires, configurable riding modes, along with traction control, quick shift, and an engine brake control. The bike is claimed to weigh 231 pounds without fuel. Thanks to the Ducati Performance catalog, it is possible to create a replica of the Ducati Desmo450 MX ridden in the MXGP World Championship by Jeremy Seewer and Mattia Guadagnini. In fact, all the details of the 450 MX factory are available in the Ducati Performance catalog, with the sole exception of the official Showa suspension, which cannot be purchased by privateer riders. The special parts offered include factory components machined from solid such as wheel hubs, triple clamps, but also a complete exhaust or Akrapovič titanium slip-on silencer and Brembo racing brake calipers. The list of available accessories will be progressively expanded. Finally, the Ducati Performance catalog offers a technical collection created in collaboration with Ducati Performance to complete the factory look. The offer consists of a complete Alpinestars jersey, pants, gloves, boot set, Arai helmet, wind vest, softshell and Spidi rain jacket. Production of the Desmo450 MX has already begun, and it will be available at selected European dealerships in June, followed by its North American launch in July with a price tag of $11,495. Ducati has also previously stated that this bike is the first of many upcoming off-road models, including a street-legal version of the Desmo450 MX. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the new Desmo450 MX? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.